at the Livall booth. We're going to take a peek at some smart helmets, and we're going to take a peek at their e-bike conversion kit for all bikes. So let's take a peek at that. Let's just go over the product, exactly what it is and how it works.
Okay. This is Livall Smart Bicycle Helmet, and it has the tail light with the floor light and the speaker. And this one is a remote control put on the handlebar.
Yep.
So when connect, it can make a turn signal. When turn right, turn left, and also the front is the same. And this one connect to your phone, so you can one connect to pick up the phone call, listen to the music, navigation.
And so there's speakers on both sides?
Yeah, 2 speakers here and also microphone.
Awesome.
Yeah, and the most important thing is we have the SOS, the patented SOS function. That means when people fall down, it will send the location and message to your emergency contacts. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's what we call the smart helmet. Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And is there, so there's multiple models of it, or is it all, how many different colors and such?
We also have the black one.
The black one?
Yeah. Oh, black one is over there. Yeah. And,
Perfect.
And also this is for the urban cycling. We also have the sports cycling like for the road bike, for the mountain bike, and for the ski.
And they also have lights and everything like that?
Same function.
Same function. Oh, so all the same functions.
Yeah. With the lighting, with the speaker, with the patented fall detection.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. I can show you. Yes. This is for the road bike.
Yep.
And it also have the lighting, and when connect with the remote control, it also can make a turn signal. Yeah, and because it has the lots of vent, so when during your cycling, it will be much more better user experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then also speakers as well too?
You can try.
Oh yeah, that's really light.
Really light, even though it has the battery inside. Yeah.
And how long does the battery last?
It depends how much you use. If you use the speaker together with the lighting, it will support you up to 8 to 10 hours. So almost 1 day.
Sure.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming weather resistant. So if it was raining out, that's okay.
Yes, it has the waterproof. It's waterproof.
Perfect.
Yeah, so it will be safe riding in the rainy day. Yeah, that's fine.
And then to charge it, what do you do to charge it?
Yes, a magnetic charging port.
Okay.
So it's also water and dust proof.
Got it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Like the manpower supply, or you want it as a booster, like PikaBoost, like you don't, you don't pedal much, but if you're going uphill, it boosts you, give you accelerating, right? Also, we have workout mode, which is like give you resistance, like instead of having a biking machine at home, and you will use PikaBoost, right? And it's very easy to installate. And there's one screwdriver here. You'll be able to take it out and put it into a different bicycle. So this one should fit universal bike. So we have a different accessory here. So you change it based on your tire of your bike. If you have a road bike, mountain bike, it will all fit. Yes. Okay. And in terms of how it accelerating, once you pedal, and you'll be able to use this remote control here to get speed up, slow down. Also, we have a blinker light. Okay. So when you make left turn, right turn, stop, people behind you will be able to see, especially when you're like biking at night. So we'll be it's like safety feature. Yeah. And also we have like it depends on your biking style. We have like a maximum range, not maximum range. It's like an average range of one charge will last 60 miles. And if you're going downhill, we'll be able to regenerate the energy to recharge the battery. So I would say it's pretty efficient and very I can have you get have this one start to give you a demonstration. Sure. Let me see if I can activate it even one time. Okay. There you go. So feel free to experiment here using the plus and minus button to see like how fast it can go. So the maximum speed will be 20 miles per hour. And it also depends on the regulation of the country because we're selling internationally. So some regulations say, oh, it's not going to 50 miles. Then it will, based on, we have a software that's connected to your PikaBoost and our smart helmet. That way, based on where you download the app, we'll know like what's the regulation, local regulation. Okay. So you'll be able to stop like very slow, right? Give you over there. We'll show you all where you're turning. Yeah, and for the experience yourself, it's like pick up your command simultaneously. Pause it. Oh, maybe you push stop. No worries. So once you pedal back, so you like
You have to pedal it.
just pedal it.
But you need a
Pedal it hard.
charger, right?
There you go. Yeah, you will be recharged if you're going downhill. Maybe I change the mode. Okay, because the red button stop it. Yeah. So it has to be a small arrow. So all the way up.
So when will this come out?
It's in market.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, we're open to pre-ordering on our website.
Okay.
So if you place the order right now, you'll be able to get it in like within a month or so.
Okay. How much is it?
It will be range from $350 to $400.
Okay.
Depends on two different power supply we have. 160 watt and 220. So 220 will be $400.
Gotcha.
Oh, thank you. I've tested a couple of these, like bike kits. Yeah. Some are better than others.
So you do sell extra batteries, right?
Yeah, we do sell.
Okay. So we can swap those.
Maybe not right now, but we will be able to.
Sure.
Yes.
How much? So if you're not using the motor assist, right, and you're just going without any assist, how much resistance is on the wheel from it?
Negligible.
Okay.
It's negligible.